Are you looking for ways to become more productive? In this video, I'll be going over some of the most effective strategies and techniques that you can use to help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. I'll discuss the importance of setting goals, prioritizing tasks, managing your time, taking breaks, and staying motivated. I hope these tips and tricks will help you become more productive and achieve your goals. So, join me in this video and let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Earl Charles and welcome to this video on how to become more productive. Are you looking for ways to increase your productivity? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be going over some of the most effective strategies and techniques that you can use to help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. Overview of the video. To start off, I'll be discussing the importance of setting goals and creating a plan of action. Then, I'll be going over how to prioritize tasks and manage your time better. Finally, I'll be touching on the importance of taking breaks and staying motivated. Importance of setting goals. The first step to becoming more productive is to set goals. Before you can begin working on any project, you need to know what it is that you want to accomplish. This will give you direction and help you stay focused on the task at hand. Once you have identified your goals, you can create a plan of action. This plan should include a timeline for when you want to achieve each milestone, as well as any other necessary steps that you need to take in order to reach your goals. Prioritizing tasks and managing time. The next step to becoming more productive is to prioritize tasks and manage your time better. To do this, you should make a list of all the tasks that you need to complete and then prioritize them based on importance. You should also look for ways to save time, such as delegating tasks to others or automating certain processes. Additionally, you should set aside specific blocks of time for different tasks and stick to them. This will help you stay focused and on track. Taking breaks and staying motivated. Another key to becoming more productive is to take breaks and stay motivated. Regular breaks help to replenish your energy and keep you focused on the task at hand. Additionally, you should reward yourself for completing tasks and stay motivated by celebrating your successes. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Tips and tricks. Now that we've gone over the basics, I'll be sharing some additional tips and tricks to help you become more productive. For instance, you should try to limit distractions such as checking emails or social media. Additionally, you should focus on one task at a time and break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Finally, you should strive to stay organized by having a designated place for all of your work materials. Conclusion. That's it for this video. To summarize, becoming more productive requires setting goals, prioritizing tasks, managing your time, taking breaks, and staying motivated. If you liked this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button, so you never miss an update. I hope these tips and tricks were helpful and that they will help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching and good luck. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.